Good morning, 2A. I hope everyone had a great weekend and is ready for our second to last week of online learning. So this week, this morning, we are going to be learning about a little bit more about telling time, and we're going to be talking about telling time to the quarter hour. So let's share our screen and figure out what that means. So here's our clock diagram that we had from last week. A reminder that this is called an analog clock. It's the one that has the hands, the kind that you have on your phone or your microwave is called a digital clock, which is what this down here looks like. So we always start by finding the hour hand, which is our shorter hand, and we find the number it's either on or it is just past. And then we find the minute hand, which is the long hand, and we have to start counting by fives, starting at the 1. So 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way around back up to the 12, which is 0 for o'clock. When we talk about quarter hour, if I was to take a pen, let me do this with a color, I'll do purple, and split our clock up into 4 parts, we know that these are called fourths. Each part is a fourth or a quarter. And when we talk about quarter past or quarter to, we're talking about the minute hand being 1/4 of the way around or 1/4 of the way until the next hour starts. So if I had a clock and if somebody says it's 1:15, they're really saying it's 1/4 of the way around the clock, the minute hand, so it is 1:15. So when they say it's 1/4 past, it's 1:15. And if they say it's 1/4 to, they're telling me there's 1/4 of the way left until the next hour. So if I was going to say it's quarter to 2, that means it is quarter till we have 1/4 more to go until it is 2 o'clock. So it is 1:45 right now. So sometimes you'll hear people say, okay, it's 5:15 or 5:45. And that just means that there's 15 minutes. We're either 15 minutes past the hour or 15 minutes until the next hour starts. So that's a short lesson on 1/4 to and 1/4 past. And you can always come back and look at this video if you need help with that. So your assignment for today is going to be to play a game about 1/4 to. So a lot of your assignments this week for math are playing games because we know that printing is hard and this is probably the easiest way for us to practice time for everybody. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how to play this game. So there's a tutorial that explains how to do it, and it's a little race. So they'll start going, and every couple seconds they'll stop, and you'll have to answer a question about time. So you have to press next, and it will say,
choose the correct answer.
Time is it? And it will read it to you by pressing the play button. And so I'm gonna look at my, and it's timing me. I have I think I have 40 seconds. So I'm looking at the hour hand, and it's on the 1. The minute hand is on the 12, so I know it's it's not 12 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock. And I can change, so I pressed 12 by accident. I changed it to 1, and I'm gonna press submit when I'm ready. And then I'm gonna press next again.
Choose the correct answer.
So what time is it? So now I'm looking at my hour hand is between the 1 and the 2, so I know it's still 1 because it's not at the 2 yet. It's in the 1's backyard, as we say. And it's on the 3, so if I count 5, 10, 15. So I know it's 1:15, but another way of saying that is 1/4 1. So your job is going to be today to continue to play this game for at least 15 minutes or until the end of the race if that's what you would like to do. But you should play it for at least 15 minutes to practice telling time to the 1/4 hour and 1/4 to the hour. So I hope everyone has a marvelous Monday, and I will see you soon.